Welcome back to Aside Hot. Our first Ogbonge visitor don't go and we don't replace him. You know, say that they talk say what a man can do, a woman can do, and even better. Now, why I go clear my throat before I introduce our Ogbonge visitor, because for a very long time she dey come on top of Aside Hot. Every time when we call out to her, say we get important issues to discuss, the passion when she get, now they make her they come out. And to the glory of God, the position when she did today, the position when we say from when we been start, we get the confidence and the belief say she go reach that position. So. We dey talk of no other than Honorable Princess, I go call her name for Folashade Olabanji Oba. I must also add, Your Excellency, welcome to Aside Hot.
I wish my governor is the Excellency here.
Your governor is the Excellency. The reason why I add that title now because of say, if you look Ikorodu now, you can check local government administration, the position when she dey occupy. Now, very, very significant and important position. And then look, all the people when we say they qualified, come look, say, we go pick the most qualified of the qualified. Once again, congratulations and welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you. You don't go come out my leg for public.
No, we don't go come out your leg. No, we don't waste time. We could just go straight into our discussion. From the first part, we've been talking about the kind of despair when people they get when they look our country, Nigeria. And we go relate them to this our second discussion now, because a lot of people for Nigeria, they don't look government and they don't get no trust, no hope, no confidence in government. That's why maybe Nkubi wife no cook chicken, put inside pot of soup. Nkubi go blame President Muhammadu Buhari. No, it's just an example I'm giving. Rain no fall, we blame President Muhammadu Buhari. This one happen, we blame President Muhammadu Buhari. We don't forget, say, we get 3 levels or tiers of government. Now, especially when they play I go speak English, integral role for local government, the most important arm of government, or the most important level of government, when they closest to the people, or government at the grassroots. Make we ask you now, you think say any hope day for local government administration inside Obodo, Nigeria, vis-a-vis, make we look our country and see whether we can move forward inside Nigeria?
Hope day.
Hope day.
Better day. You know, go give up, say hope day for this country, because me, I see plenty. I see the big picture where they there. You know, say the local government, na the heartbeat, where I go call them. Because if you talk, the federal, the state, now the local government, now they close pass to the people. And now we, first and foremost, where then the first join body see when anything dey better, even when it remain small, make it dey better, na still we dey there. But also the kind of ogbonge issue where they for ground now, not be saying na play. The plenty work there for ground for all of us to do. But na the job of all of us, so not be one person. Now the thing I tell my people, say now one for all for one. Now that attitude. So make you not be say you go just close your hand and say, make government, now them, now that. Not be only them. You see, now you, now me, now us.
You don't admit, say,
yes.
Challenge day.
Yes, of course.
And like you talk, now everybody must contribute to ensure, say, this particular challenge, when we they face, we go come out. But then, people go talk, say, since 1999, we don't get situation when it be like, say, plenty local government, the governor don't put them inside pocket. In fact, we get some states inside the Nigeria would say, now caretaker committees, now they get. Rather than people when they elect to represent and protect or advance the interests of the people, make we ask and make we be truthful. Because all of us, they go church or mosque, and God know what is inside our heart. You think, say, the ogbonge problems or the plenty problems when they now something when we say he reach the power of local government people to solve.
They say the journey of 1,000 miles now one step you go take. At least say we even get on there. They do plenty. They do plenty. They make plenty difference for the life of the people. Now, plenty things they cause make it no be sharp as we want them. So, as you don't talk for all those other states, me, I know they there. I go talk for my own state, my center of excellence. For us, Lagos, na role model states. And the leadership where we get for Lagos, I think is something where all of us, we supposed to be proud of small, you know, because, you know, when they say Lagos, they work, it make you give bosa small to our governor because they do everything well. And so for all of us to, no time to sit down, make it, they do reki like this, now work, you know. If you're not ready to work, you know, go fit survive for the local government.
Honorable, may I ask you this question?
Yes.
You actually look like, fine, we know say yes, the local government for Lagos State, it did effective, they work. But then she know also things say, if local government no work the same way with Lagos they work for other areas, say that development we just they preach, say we want a development for Nigeria. Sure say that development go even fit Waka at all. Because if Lagos they feed they do based on local government area, say people they actually feel local government impact. Other areas because in as much as no say you talk about other areas we know they play their own part. They not say they say local government responsibility not today relevant to the people.
Now might they talk now. Me, they talk for Lagos because if you even come the revenue where Lagos they add put for the federal, as the time when me I check, they say it reach almost 3/4 of everything. Lagos itself now another country for your own. So if you do that, yet we go carry everything go federal. Now the little bonga fish where they go give us, where then we go take. Now we go all share among us. For Lagos we get 20. LGA 37 SCDA. So, but still, the reason why we do that because the closer you are when you can't divide everything small. So, but people for now must not say na small sacrifice because they say things no they rosy. But when you talk about the governance itself, you go talk about the security of life. Make we provide enable ground where people where people fit work, they no go fear, where they go no say they get dividends of what we call democracy. So at least you go talk about election. Say some people not caretaker. So when you say you choose the people where you want or you know choose them where somebody just put them whatever. Now you use that word. It's a bit tricky. So make we just now the attitude where we first need make we change. Make all of us any level where we do. Make we do better as good citizens of this country.
Okay, but how people when the governments now go fit bring back that confidence when people suppose get for inside government back for the people? Because a lot of people, like for example, the last local government elections for inside Lagos, they check the percentage of people when come out, then see say it's very poor. Because people just fold their hand, look say, what in local government they do serve. And some people don't come and argue say the local government now I will speak English now the conduit pipe where government they follow chop money because they know nobody they talk say okay see what in there, see their record book, see how much they spend, see what if we use the money do. What people when the local government suppose they do now to restore the confidence when the ordinary Nigerian citizens suppose get in the mind of government because they talk say that the government when they closest to the people. If rather than for me to carry waka go meet my local government chairman or go my local government secretariat, I they call Ambode, governor of Lagos, I they call Buhari, president of Nigeria, it really shows that there's no connection between we and the local government. What the local government people suppose do so that they go feel win us back?
You know, say for Lagos, me I go talk of Lagos for like 2 years plus now. We no get what you go call the normal elected kini. So we had executive secretaries and then we had the sole administrators. So, but even then, the thing no be say it did that bad. So now, back to the thing where we did talk. Oga Chukwudi, that statement where you make now political statement, and I don't know whether you get something for mind this one because you they attack say nothing, Sam, now just say the conduit part where money they go in go out.
Some people talk.
People talk. You know, some people just like make them they increase the polity. Where they make it this program now they hot. When no drama, no action, they no like them. Even when you know they like to just put on make it be say fire day for mountain.
But you don't think say you not they fair to some people because for example now all the 3 levels of government get work and responsibility.
Yes.
Local government get its own. For example, one of them na primary healthcare, primary education, and taking care of the environment. It gets on small markets when they're supposed to maintain. But if we call people today, ask them, you don't give example, you don't talk and say for Lagos, for example, like in the past 2 years, we never get what is supposed to be the normal kind of local government.
When you talk about caretaker now, I say everything na process. So if you talk about 3 tier, you no go say that one at the 3rd tier. But that one at the situation because of all the political arrangements and all that way we get that.
But then another thing where people don't also question be the independent, because in as much as my brother could also add the independence of at least local government autonomy and councils and all that. If for instance we don't see local government get responsibilities where they clearly outlined primary healthcare and education, at least small market, and maybe you can't go to some local government, they don't even get any of these things. Even those who then get now, probably the state government now in provide them for them. So you know also things say somehow maybe based on probably that full strength of say you really define your own condition, you define your own local government. Say you get right over your local government without anybody deciding how they want to make your local government operate. So you know also to say somehow that disconnection, or probably that connection not today, where the executive, the governor on their own part and the local government part, this will get a very good relationship. Where we say fund where they're supposed to allocate to local government, they go allocate them duly, and where we say they not go come out 1 naira from them. It could be say go fit serve the purpose of the local government.
You know, for the way me I take understand them, the local government. Now from the states where we get small devolution of power, where you go talk. And the way they take break them, be say, so that as they divide them like that, every area go there unique. Now the states now get the big power to do the big projects, okay? So if they talk, say they just they come out money, they do that. They not just they come out money to take do play. They come out money to do the big one where you go no say the local government no fit handle, okay? Because you know say they say not be only mouth, they do something. Na effectiveness action of and money good. So and also authority and guidelines where you get a lot of the support also now from the state. So it good as it did like that, because it no go mean say somebody can just get life of his own, make it just do anything. So when people they talk, say then they misuse power, they misuse funds, they misuse something, you know, it's kind of relative to the environment. So for me, I go talk for Lagos State. It's not very easy for you to have a local government that can really just go haywire like that, because you are part of a bigger structured authority.
Make I ask this very simple question. You get one particular, it will be like constant feature for the Nigerian political setup, in the sense, say, if na APC, they control the state government, all the local governments, it go hard. Make you see another political party when go win election for local government. In fact, virtually all the states for inside
okay, you miss on that time. This one now you don't miss on, because this time for Lagos we get PDP now, where they get some councillors and none. We get Labour.
No,
we get Kini. So
PDP get councillors.
For Lagos, we will get. Hold on. For Lagos, we will get conscience.
I know say una get conscience.
We not do that kind one.
Get conscience.
No, we not do that one. It was free and fair.
Okay, make I
no.
Maybe if I bring down this,
all because, this your Gologo statement.
If I bring them down, maybe you go understand, because now Lagos here.
No, bring them up. Bring them up.
Now Lagos here, now we to grow.
Okay.
And the way they play the politics, we self understand that.
Okay.
Make I give the example of one particular area for inside Lagos. Now that's Odiolowo side. Ilupeju side, Mushin side. He get one person when we say in the Federal House of Reps, that they call him Kako.
Yes.
he come from Accord party, even though na APC in there before. But he get the way when the thing take can't happen. He be like say they thought say they won't use person replace him. He can't go Accord, and that Accord when he can't win the election because people talk say they like the work when they do. And he get one argument when not come out from that particular side. He also concern the legal advisor of the APC, Oga Muiz Banire. Now people they complain say they know they allow the people. Because if we talk say local government are the closest to the people, and local government and the government when we say the people really put there because they fit just walk up to their chairman or go to their secretary and go complain.
Yes.
But we call this situation when it be like say, you know, because councillor own, it go dey very very hard for you to, for example, if I run for councillorship for where I come from, it go dey very very hard for you to cheat me because if na me be the popular candidate, it go dey difficult. But for that of the local government chairman, you fit just claim say from here, now he make the person, now he win. Now how we go take get situation when we say indeed, whether na Labour Party, whether na Accord Party, whether na PDP. The reason why I ask you this question is because you know as the thing they go and you dey inside so that Nigerians go really know.
You don't watch too much movies, Oga Chukwudi, because all this as they go, I know. Now God, I take beg you. This waiting they go. Look, the one where you talk for Mushin, the court say okay, make them go back, go do some things. They call them prayers. That is the directives of the court, and that's exactly the thing where the party do. Okay, they redo the primary, redo this thing, everything, and they still have a candidate. And thank God, peace don't reign for that place. You know, when you put cup for down, the side where you they see, not be the side where I they see, not be the side where Oga could be they see. So you they choose to see the one where me I know understand, and you they expect me make I know say we dey in line. The way we take do the election.
But I believe so one of the reasons why Chukwudi actually talk this particular matter where it is because a lot of people don't also talk calm. You know, say for instance, we know say when it comes to general elections and state elections, now INEC they handle them. Yes. But when it come to state and local government elections, just like say the supremacy or the person is supposed to now the state government. And if you come for every state, now a particular party they rule them. Abi, So another same party, the people they in charge, they go decide. Now they go appoint who go be the state.
No, honestly, make all jokes apart. This election where we do this time, I think it couldn't have been any fairer than it is. Now, when you talk about the security of life and property, then you talk about the credibility and integrity of the people where handle the election. The Chief Justice before, where, you know, she be person where stand for, you know,
transparency.
Yes, everything, you know, and the process where they take us go through, you know. I can talk because I be part of that system, you know. You cannot please the world, but in all honesty, she do her best. Me, I give her a million bosa.
Very true.
Honestly.
The truth we say, we go need discuss this particular subject because
another time.
No, it go good make Nigerians really understand. But we'll move forward now.
Okay.
Because whether we like them or not, Nigerians want make the bad thing when they see before, make it stop.
Yes.
Because we don't get new arrangements.
Yes.
If we talk about local government autonomy,
yes.
People don't come and talk, say, if we talk, say, local government supposed to be level of government on its own, make the local government also they free to spend their money, to get their money, and do things when we say people when the local government go, they very, very happy. But some people, they argue, say, it be like, say, some state governors, they're not they happy with local government autonomy because they feel, say, if local government, they're free now, begin they work. You go come like, say, people, they look, say,
question their rights.
People, they look, say, this local government chairman, they work,
yes.
We don't even need to even think about the governor. Maybe not jealousy on the part of some governors. What do you think about local government autonomy?
Well, you know, if it is properly handled, I see nothing wrong in it. It's actually an ideal situation. But because the Niger factor, so because that Niger factor, which you cannot put under the carpet, so everybody with your own kidney, we must address them, not just say, because it's just all night. Some areas need them more than
some other areas.
So it should be relative.
This is your answer. Now, correct answer, but the answer just be like, okay, but we can't move forward like this now. A lot of people, they believe, say, local government just be like NYSC for politicians or IT for politicians. Say some people, waiting that they go local government, go do, now to pack money, put for pocket, waiting to go maybe federal, House of Reps or Senate. Now, waiting some people, they look, say plenty local government chairman now. Some of them know they even they come office. Some of them now what is some people they talk? Say local government chairman.
You never reach. I go talk for Lagos. We never even reach 1 month now. How you no go come office?
I know because of
Lagos.
Okay.
Yes. We know they talk of Lagos because if we go tell ourselves the honest truth here.
Not be only the chairman, now the attitude of normal people.
But
Naija people, they know they lie.
A lot of states will say, according to what people they talk, some local government they isolated. Just like say, na desert, you know they in operation, and then they collect allocation. The money go they go into some all those kind of things.
If we talk about attitude,
they hear that one. But you know it has to change now because the funny thing about that kind of situation be say even the workers where they no one come work, they no go want make them reach the work, make they no collect salary. Now I might tell some people when they talk, I say if we they run our local government like to say na business, I think a lot of them go sharpen up because some of them they know they see am like say if na say na business if I don't die because the attitude of some workers they know they as committed as they supposed to be. You understand? You know say if to say you carry 20 people now you get your business. You no go know Saturday, you no go know Sunday. You no go know what time you supposed to close, I mean you no close. If somebody call you 10 o'clock, sharp, Oga Chukudi, you don't jump out of bed. Because you go know say, the money where you go collect, now you go take pay that salary. But for a lot of us, where we dey kini, then go say, wait, I won't kill myself. Now government now. No, that one no good. So, now that attitude we must get, say, whether somebody they look you or be no look you, make sure say government can count on you. Say you be the best employee where that local government get, and then you want changes and everything in that. It starts with us now. You, me, all of us. Make all of us make sure say whatever they say make we they do for that seat where we did. Make we try our best.
You go good make we emphasize this thing where you don't talk now. You get one thing where people they talk say the people when go lead the people.
Yes.
They must come from the people.
Yes.
And if the people get one particular mindset of maybe laziness, bad attitude to work, the leaders when they go they lazy and they go they bad to the work when we say they won't do. And make we enter our phone line, we get somebody. I did very, very sure say we go ask you, say who be the what be the name of your local government chairman? Good morning and welcome to Aside Hall. Oga Fred.
Good morning, Fred.
Oga Fred, you did here?
Makodi Fowl.
Oga Fred, if you get chance, I beg call us back and make we discuss. And you see the thing when we been talk, maybe na that question for sure. Say we go ask him what be the name of the local government chairman. Now we'll talk on the part of the people now. Whether we like them or not, if government good and people they support that government, the government can only get better. If government bad and people no show care, the government go worse. Now as a people, what if those things we suppose they do so that those who will not elect to represent us, they go there responsible to the office and accountable to we when be their masters because they be our servants, whether they be leaders or not.
Instead of make them just they see the negative side alone, when a problem criticizing alone, make them come with positive mind. If you sabi something where they better, where you know say your community is in need of, come make we talk together. Make we see as we can join hand. That better brain where you get, bring them. Now, if everybody get that attitude, we put them together. Now, all of us go, so to say, benefit now at the end of the day. Not be say, oh, our chairman no get leg, you no get hand, and all of that. Now, you go just stand.
So, Brother, the Fred on the call back. Fred, good morning, all the way from Makodi.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, Fred, just somehow, because of say we discuss them local government matter, we want to ask you, since they call us from Makodi, we want to ask you, what is the name of your own local government for there?
Where East local government? Where East?
The name of the chairman, Uncle.
Okay, continue. Contribute.
The name of my chairman is Honorable Vitalis Wa.
Okay, nice one. Continue, Oga Fred. Contribute, we hear you.
What I want to contribute is this. You see this issue of autonomy of a local government. I want to tell you people that the governor of a state doesn't have two heads. And if they can grant a local government autonomy, I think what the state government is doing, we did it at the local government too, we do it. This thing, nobody has gone to the school of governor or to the school of chairman. And I believe that if somebody has a mind or has a sense of carrying people along in terms of development, he will definitely do it. That is when the local government autonomy is being granted. All these people will do the same. Will do the same development they are doing. You see, in a democratic situation, it is the grassroots that voted people in.
Yes.
And I believe that if they are giving this autonomy, the local government autonomy, the government will be even more closer to the people as it is being the of a local government. So I strongly believe that if local government is granted autonomy today, there will be an accelerated development at the grassroots.
Yes, so Oga Fred, thank you very much. Accelerated development for the grassroots. Thank you. From that particular call, make we collect this call from Peter. Peter, good morning. Welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good
Peter,
morning,
they hear you. Talk to us.
Yeah, my own contribution for this thing, they say, hello?
Would they hear?
My own contribution for this thing, they say, you see,
Peter, continue.
people don't take this thing as waiting and they use to make money. If you go many local government, you see say nothing they happen. Some will just collect this money, they are not even going to work. When you are paying a very large quantity of money to a councillor who cannot even build up or change the roof of their town hall, so you will see say it is very bad. But when our politicians start to do the right thing, both our government, most of all these things will go forward. But without that, the things is like this because even ordinary workers, they are not going work the way they need to go. If you see the people and they're very okay for work, okay, fine, Lagos State is okay. But if you go that state, you go, you see nothing happen. I remember when I go my local government to sign form.
Very true.
Go, you know they meet.
Oga Peter, na very important point, and you don't talk. You don't talk and say, even though Lagos na model state, when other states they look up to, plenty other states too, the confidence no dey. And make we just focus on Lagos. Can't use other states as point of contact because Lagos na the prayer point now. Now, as person when they play important role now for local government, wetin be the things when we say under your leadership now, working with these people, una they hope to achieve so that people go feel look say yes, indeed, we get government when they really do the work of people.
Yeah, exactly.
And other states go to look and say, this local government, just like Lagos be model state, this local government now model local government.
Yes, so you know when we dey do campaign, we don't get the kind 10-point agenda where we call them, say we want to work on. So as we come in, the first thing where we don't do meeting with our people, now to really marry our agenda with the people where we go do the work. Because now all of us must do that work, not be only one person. So it must be in the mind of everybody where they for our local government saying like this. So we don't say this is what we get. How we can reach this. So to whom much is given, much is expected. So as we don't come, we don't tell them say, okay, wetin be the problem where they ground now, where you think say, go make us achieve this thing where we want to do. So, now open meeting, we must dialogue.
Where everybody
go come together. Okay, now this palaver we get here. This one, that one.
And profiling a solution.
Everybody, we come put and down. Okay, so as we don't address that one now, Now we go come do am with our own. Say, okay, thank God we get these people like this. They say we need to also push them up for this,
Yes.
so that then too
They go
dey
ginger.
ginger to do the work. So now that stage where we dey now.
Very true. E go good make we just emphasize just this very good point wey you don raise. Say first and foremost, we need to see discussion between those when they govern and those when they govern. Na that time everybody go open up, talk their mind, and you go come begin to look how you go take solve the problems when we say people
No,
don
na
drop
like
down.
the way where our governor dey do now. Apart from the dialogue wey we go get with the local government workers, we also have stakeholders meeting, which our governor dey do call him own town hall meeting. We call our own stakeholders meeting, which is for the community.
Leaders
all
and the people.
Yes, all the people wey matter for the
Make
community.
we collect honourable handshake because e no easy. Congratulations once
Thank
again,
you, sir.
and we
Thank
wish
you
you all the
very much
best.
for
coming. Thank you, sir.
Una don hear am as Nigerians. Make we give support to government when they committed to ensure say they improve the condition of the Nigerian people. Until we come back again tomorrow, will be Friday, to discuss all the ogbonge stories wey we don discuss this week.
Na bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.